In this galaxy, Dotubers have warped into superstardom. A few videos in, and we already have a private jet. We're getting our bling on.
Just kidding guys, we're not that fancy, but we did travel in a private jet. Let's check it out. We went to a private airport, no customs, no baggage, no check-in. We were greeted by our pilots and taken straight to our plane. We had not even stepped into the plane and were already feeling like ballers. The plane was beautiful from the inside. Seats were made with premium leather. There was a remote on the side to change alignment and recline the seats. We got in the plane and were on our way right away. No waiting for other passengers. It was just like having your own car. Only it wasn't a car. It was a frickin' plane, and we were traveling to a different country. The plane was stocked with drinks, goodies, and anything you possibly need for a 30-minute flight. This Red Bull definitely got wings. No review is complete without reviewing the most important place. You guessed it right, it's the washroom. The toilet seat was also made of leather. Wow, that's incredible. The washroom was really spacious and really comfortable for a small plane. We got to our destination pretty fast. The landing was smooth as hell. Was it the plane? Was it the pilot? No idea. Immigration was done in the plane and we were on our way out. No wonder rich people don't fly commercial. You can easily cut down on hours and hours of wait time. And you know friends, time is money. And that's a wrap guys. Like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you next week.